welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I wanted to do a review and demo of the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. So this is the Mega Cushion Foundation SPF 15 from Wet n Wild. It's a cruelty-free brand, which is awesome. I have the color Light Ivory, which is the lightest shade, and it's the light neutral shade. So I believe there's also a light shade that's a little bit more on the yellow tone side. I don't think there's a pink one, to be quite honest. But I wanted to show you guys this today. I've been using this foundation for the past several weeks. I got it earlier in the month and I am really liking it. So I really wanted to show you how it wears throughout the day and all that fun stuff. So if you're going to leave a mean or rude comment, go ahead and hit that unsubscribe and move it along. Otherwise, let's get into the video. So for application today, I'm going to be using a brush on one side of my face and then also the applicator that it comes with on the other side of my face. I'm just throwing stuff. This is what it looks like. This is the little cushion. It looks quite dark in the pan, but when it goes on my face, it's only a little bit too dark. They don't have the best shade range in the world, but this one is a pretty close match to my skin tone, even though it looks quite tan. So I'm going to go ahead and use the little puff thing that it comes with, and you just kind of dab it in there, and go ahead, and you're supposed to like roll pat it on your face. And just so you know, this perfume does, or this foundation does have kind of a perfumed smell. So if you're sensitive to smells, you might not like it. I think it smells very fresh and clean, so it's not an offensive scent by any means. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this on my face with this applicator. Okay, so that's the right half of my face covered, and as you guys can see, it's a very natural coverage. It just sinks into the skin. It doesn't look like you're wearing foundation. It doesn't sit on top of the skin at all, so it's barely detectable. What it really does is just evens out the skin tone. And what's great about this is once you let it dry, you can build it up to be almost full coverage, like a high medium coverage if you want it to. I do like this really natural kind of look though. I just like to cover up the imperfections on my face that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead on a brush with this side and cover up this. Alright, so that is both of my sides of my face covered, and as far as application is concerned, I actually prefer the sponge that it comes with. It just helps the foundation to go into the face, like press in all that much better. When it comes to the brush, it does leave some streak marks, and I like to go back over it with the sponge. So I think that if you use a beauty blender or something, that would work just as well. I don't necessarily recommend the brush with this one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply all the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back and show you guys how it wears and all of that fun stuff. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so I have all of my makeup on now, and I just wanted to show you how the skin looks. This is with bronzer, blush, highlight over the top. Everything just melds in beautifully. It all mixes together so nice and blends beautifully on top. This is not one that you have to set, but I just tend to set my makeup anyway. So but I did want to let you know, if you don't like using powders, you don't have to. This one does dry down quite nicely, and it's buildable and all that great stuff. So I feel like every time I wear this foundation, I have one of the best skin days ever. So I am loving this foundation so far. I just wanted to show you how well products go on top. There's no patchiness, no muddiness. I feel like my skin just looks very glowy and dewy and nice and healthy. So I will check in throughout the day and show you guys how the foundation is wearing. So I will be back. So I really like how my forehead looks. It's not emphasizing any of my acne scarring that's right here. Ignore the chin. I have this horrible scar there from, it's from microderm, so it's an actual microderm abrasion, like full on abrasion. So that's been there for a while, but that's what that is, so just ignore that. And sorry for the shaky camera, I'm trying to hold it up. And it doesn't get greasy throughout the day, at least not on my skin. Granted, I do have pretty normal to dry skin, so I don't know what it would be like on a more oily person. You might want to powder it, but I don't have to. So yeah, this is what it looks like in natural daylight, and I will check in throughout the day and show you guys how it's wearing. Hey guys, so I've had the makeup on at this point for 12 hours, and I just want to show you guys up close in kind of the best lighting I can do right now. It's super dark in our house right now. But the makeup looks amazing still. I'm going to get really close, up close and personal, and show you that there's still so much coverage on my face. Obviously my under eye bags are terrible, but there's still so much coverage on my face. None of the foundation has wiped off except for around my mouth. It's even covering up my scar down here on my chin still. still in the middle of the forehead. It's just gorgeous. So I am in love with this foundation. It lasts so well. It wears really well. It doesn't get greasy throughout the day or overly dry. It's just a really, really good foundation for a really good price. So I definitely recommend this one. You guys trying it out. So good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments section of this one. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.